In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Vizio TV screen mirroring not working step by step. First, make sure your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone, tablet, or computer because screen mirroring only works when both devices are on the same network. Next, restart both your Vizio TV and the device you're trying to mirror to refresh the connection. On your TV, go to Menu, Extras, SmartCast Mobile or Home, Screen Mirroring, and make sure the feature is turned on. If it still doesn't work, check your device supports that mirroring technology such as Miracast or Chromecast and ensure it's enabled on the device. You can also try resetting the network settings on your TV under Menu, System, Reset and Admin, Reset Network to fix any connectivity issue. And finally, check for software updates under Menu, System, check for updates, since outdated firmware can cause mirroring problems. And that's is how you fix Vizio TV screen mirroring not working and start casting your device's screen quick and easy.